So within 1 minute you will be able to solve this question. Focus in this video now. So in this question we need to solve for x, like we need to get the x value. How do we do it? So basically there is one law of indices which says that if I have some a to the power, let's say x, on the other side if I have some a to the power y, if bases are same for the index, then the powers have to be same because they are equated with each other. So that is the rule which we are going to use over here. So if you are clear with the rule, we can definitely apply and get the answer. So over here I'll write x to the power x, on the other side it is x to the power nothing means 1. So this is one of the way, only by observation you can see that the value of x is 1. That's it, we are done with the question. Okay, this will be true only when the value of x is 1. Now let us see some other possibilities for the same question. We can also divide both the sides by x. If I divide both the sides by x, I will be getting x to the power x over x is equal to x over x, that is 1. On the left hand side, this is x to the power 1 in the denominator. So that will give me x to the power x minus 1 is equal to 1. Now what is 1? 1 can also be written as any number to the power 0. So that's why I can also write it down as x to the power x minus 1 is equal to x to the power 0. After that I will be applying the same rule. What is that rule? That if the bases are same, then powers have to be equal. So x minus 1 will be equal to 0 and that will give me the value of x as 1. So like conceptually there was only one concept involved in this question and we could have solved this question very easily by just observation. But yeah, you should be clear with the concept so that you can apply them in any related questions as well. So see you in the next video with a similar type of question. Thank you.